Here's how to fix if your Face ID is not available or not working on your iPhone. Now, if you used to be using basically the Face ID or it's a brand new phone and you can't get it to register your face to unlock various apps or to unlock your phone, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into your settings. And from there, let's just scroll down, tap on General here, and Software Update. This is a culprit that oftentimes comes up, that basically there are bugs or glitches in the iOS operating system that you currently have installed. And basically just by updating it, they fix a bunch of bugs or glitches, especially if you have the newer iOS 18. It could be a glitch or bug in iOS 18. And you just need to update to the latest version, basically to fix that Face ID. Now, after you go through that process, the second thing that I would recommend doing is to hop out of here, and essentially what you're going to do is do some physical detection on your phone. So your Face ID comes from the little notch at the very top, or that little pill-shaped black icon at the very top. There's a camera on there and a 3D sensor that will essentially sense your face and map it and unlock. However, a lot of times if you have a case, or especially if you have a screen protector and that gets all smudged up with fingerprints or maybe some food or anything like that, then it will basically render that unavailable or unworking. Now, what you're going to do is take off that screen protector, clean the entire front of your iPhone, especially right around the very top here, and then try your Face ID again. So that's oftentimes a culprit because basically the camera just can't see you very well. Now, the next thing we'll do is hop into your settings here, and we'll go back and scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Now, you have to enter in the passcode for your phone here. But now you want to make sure everything is toggled on for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, payments, passwords, all that other stuff. You want to toggle those on. Essentially, if you have any of these off, then of course your Face ID will not work with those because you've turned them off in the settings. Now, there are two different options you have in terms of on here. One is you can hit set up an alternate experience or appearance. And essentially what this will do is it will allow you to refresh that Face ID. Maybe you shaved your beard, or you grew a beard, or you've changed your face in some way. Maybe now you have glasses, or you're wearing a mask, or it's winter time and just, something has changed. So essentially every once in a while, updating that Face ID is good because it kind of remaps everything and allows it to recognize what you look like today versus a year ago or a few years ago. But you can also just go back here and hit Reset Face ID. And by doing so, it wipes your old Face ID, and then you can hit Set Up Face ID, and this sets up a brand new Face ID, again, to help refresh everything. If it's been a while and your face, the appearance of it has changed over time, then it's good to just do it every once in a while. Now, keep in mind, there are some options on here in terms of when you set this up. You can do one for the mask, and you can basically enable it so that it works well with glasses as well, if you wear glasses or wear masks often. Now, if you go through this process and it still doesn't work, that Face ID is not available or it's not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is in our settings, we'll tap on General, and then scroll to the bottom and just hit shutdown. So just turn off your phone and reboot it. There could be a bug or glitch in this current version of your phone as it's kind of working. Sometimes over time, just basically things don't work as well. And just by rebooting your phone, a lot of times that helps to fix things. So shut down your phone, just tap the shutdown button and then restart it. A lot of times that fixes a bunch of issues. The last thing I would recommend doing is just go into a browser here, and we're just going to type in Apple support. Now, there are several different options to be able to get to Apple support. You can contact them basically through chat, through email, through phone number. Basically, I would recommend contacting them about your iPhone, saying that you're having that issue. They'll walk you through some troubleshooting fixes, similar ones that I just walked you through. And if need be, you can always take it into an Apple store. They'll plug in your iPhone and run diagnostics to see if the sensors themselves maybe are broken or having issues or whatever, and they'll either fix it, basically fix that iPhone, fix the sensors and the camera, all that stuff, or they might just give you a brand new phone if it's under warranty, or if not, they might have to pay for a new phone or basically pay to have it fixed. I hope that helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.